Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 Slim. In this video I'll show you how to manage screen capture settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings. Now go to Captures and Broadcast, Captures, and now you can manage shortcuts for Create button. For example, press once, display the create controls, press and hold, take screenshot, press twice, save a video clip of your recent gameplay. Then you can change length of recent gameplay video clip and display save confirmation for screenshots. Then you can change screenshot format and video clip format. Then you can enable or disable auto upload, auto record recent gameplay, download to media gallery. You can manage auto captures of trophies and challenges. In the end, you can change broadcast resolution, enable include party audio, overlays, and chat to speech. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.